Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LocalSend when it's not finding nearby devices. If your phone, tablet, or computer doesn't appear in the LocalSend device list, don't worry. There are several simple solutions you can try, so let's get started. First, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or the same local network. LocalSend relies on your local network to discover nearby devices, so if they're connected to different networks, they won't be able to see each other. Yeah, this is the most common cause of the problem. Next, confirm that LocalSend is open on both devices. The app should be running and visible while you're trying to discover nearby devices. On Windows, you should also allow LocalSend through the Windows firewall if you're prompted, since blocking network access can prevent device detection. If the devices still don't appear, restart the LocalSend app on both devices. You can also restart your Wi-Fi connection or reboot both devices to refresh the network and clear temporary connection issues. Another helpful step is to make sure you're using the latest version of LocalSend on every device. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve compatibility across Windows, Android, iPhone, macOS, and Linux. Finally, check that your router or network isn't using settings such as client isolation or guest network restrictions, as these can prevent devices from communicating with one another even if they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix LocalSend when it's not finding nearby devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.